This is your reading for November 18th. And I just want to say that I will never reach out to you whether you see me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Make sure you check the link in my bio to make sure you're following the correct account. There are so many scammers, and I don't want anyone getting scammed. I never reach out, so please make sure you're following the correct account. Okay. My TikTok has over 500,000 followers. My Instagram has over 300,000 followers. And my Facebook, surprisingly, only has like 6,000 followers because I just started on there because of all the scammers. And then my YouTube has over 40,000 followers, okay? But let's get into the message. I'm hearing that if you're seeing this today, there is this 30-day transformation happening in your life. It's just like this intense frequency jump from here to here. And I'm hearing that like right now what's happening is that you're expelling old energy that doesn't serve you anymore. It's not a vibrational match to who you are. So this old energy is being expelled in many different ways, okay? It could be vomiting, defecating, sneezing, urinating, convulsing. These are all ways that your body lets go of energy, but I'm being told that it doesn't have to be that bad. Your body will find a way to release the energy, but you can help it along, and you could do things to help release the energy so it doesn't have to be so traumatic, right? Nobody wants to feel sick. Yoga is a beautiful way to let go of energy. Spirit showed me the analogy of like getting a rag, and the rag is dipped in water and it's sopping wet. That's the old energy. And yoga wrings out the rag, okay? So yoga, just exercising in general also expels energy, but I love the yoga because it gets like every part of the body. Vibrating plates are pretty big right now. The kind that you just stand on, that actually helps release old stagnant energy from the body. So that's another good one as well. That's what you need to hear though. There's this like amazing glow up of energy happening, and in 30 days, so yeah, by December 18th, you're gonna be like a completely different person, but in a good way. Your vibration's gonna rise. And because of that, this is like it's like the culmination of the end of the year. 2026 is just gonna be amazing for you. People will say, who are you? Like, who is this version of you? That's what's coming for you. And, let's split the deck randomly because that card was just sitting there. Oh, this one wanted to come out. Justice, big Libra energy, big air energy. This makes me feel like you've put a lot of energy into other people and your time's coming. Like justice is being served, like your karma's finally coming around. So all the good you've done for others, you're about to feel the effects of that. So if this found you, what a beautiful reading. And I want to say, go check out the link in my bio. There's a bunch of goodies in there for you. I think you're going to find something you like. I'll see you guys next time.